Good morning, welcome to Rachel's Wake and Bake. Today I'll be making sourdough, garlic, and cheddar pull-apart bread. So the first thing I'm going to add to my bowl is 2 cups of sourdough starter, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, a 1/4 cup of powdered milk, 1½ cups of warm water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of salt. And I'm just going to start with 2 cups of flour. We'll just mix that. And I'm just going to keep adding flour as needed. Okay, I just added enough flour to form a nice soft dough. With this recipe, we do not need the dough. We're just going to place it in a greased bowl and we're going to let it rise. And we're just going to flip it once to grease the top. And we're going to let it rise in a warm spot for an hour, hour and a half. So cover and let rise for an hour, hour and a half. Okay, it's been an hour and a half. Our dough has definitely doubled in size. So we're just going to punch it down. Okay, and I'm just going to flour my surface here. And I'm just going to cut this in 2. That's pretty even. And I'll just set the others aside. And now I'm just going to roll this out. Okay, I rolled it into a rectangle, and now we're just going to brush on. I just melted some butter with some garlic spices. It's just a garlic blend. So I'm just going to brush my dough with the butter. Just add our cheese. And then take my pizza cutter and I'm going to cut. Okay, once cut, I'm going to place them one on top of the other. And I'm just going to add that to my greased pan. Let that rise. We'll do the same with the second loaf. Okay, now that we've got our loaves in our pans, got some extra garlic butter. I'm just going to put some more on the tops. And I can add a little bit more cheese on the top. Okay, we're going to let this rise for about 30 minutes to an hour until it doubles in size again. We'll cover and let rise. Okay, it's been about an hour. Our breads have doubled in size, and we're going to preheat our oven to 350, and we're going to bake these for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. I'll let you know exactly how long. These baked for 25 minutes. I'm just going to turn them over onto my cooling rack. Oh my goodness, they smell so good. So cheesy. These turned out really good.